Hey friends, Catherine here. So it's been a day and the cover has dried and I really love how it turned out. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but these colors turned out beautifully. Like, I'm a real fan of this particular aesthetic, the flowers and the cursive and the butterflies and everything, especially like the fireweed. It's really pretty. And we are ready to attach the covers to our signature and then put on some finishing touches. Actually, that edge right there needs a little bit of trimming real quick. Let's see if I can't. There we go. That's better. Okay. All right, so we've got this tape that we're going to be using. It doesn't quite match. It's got cream as the background for the birds and the flowers, and it's green, which is as close as I'm gonna get with things that I already have in my house. So this is what we're using. Here we are. And what we're going to do is just pull off more than we need. Cut off a section. If we can cut it without the tape sticking to the scissors, that would be even better. There we go. And then set our roll aside for another day. There we go. Aside. Okay. We are going to move this off of our workspace for now and lay our tape down. I don't know if you can tell, this tape is a woven tape. It's not like a regular washi tape or anything like that. You don't want to use a washi tape for this. They aren't going to stand up to it. This is like a woven tape. So like a duct tape would be. Let's see if I can get it off my fingers. Okay, good. And then what we want to do is take our cover and flip it over so that it's facing down and line it up as close as we can to even and offset from the center. And that's going to be important. You don't want it right in the center. It has to be able to stick it to the signature. So it can't be right in the center. Then we will take our back cover and do the same thing. Actually, before we line our back cover up, let's grab a ruler or something with a straight edge on it so that we make sure that we get the front and back cover lined up with one another. Here, let's just use our cutter. Okay. Place the cutter down so that it's even with the bottom of the front cover, and then line up our back cover so that it's even with the cutter, and there we go. Okay, we are in business. Press everything down, lift our cutter away, and we are 9/10 of the way there. Okay, then what we are going to do is take our scissors and cut just away from the top and the bottom so that we remove the excess tape, but we leave a little bit of tab. Leave a little tab of tape. There we go. One side, and then the other side. Okay, and then what we are going to do is take and fold that little tab of tape over. It will create a space at the top and the bottom where it does not stick to the signature, but it will also leave us with this nice folded over look at the top instead of a cut tape look. So it will make everything look much more organized and planned and put together. go. All right, and then just press it down between the front and back cover. Make sure everything is really stuck down well. Run a finger along the front and back cover one last time real quick. And then take our signature and line it up top and bottom right in the center of the tape. And then fold our cover over and press along the spine of the tape where the stitching in the signature is really firmly. And there we have it. It is now re-covered. We've got a blank back cover, a pretty front cover. I could have probably scooched the front cover on the tape a little bit so that it ended up with less tape covering it, but oh well, that is the way that it worked out. And as a finishing touch, I think I want to take a bit of paper. Let's see if we've got anything interesting in this paper pack, if I can remember how to open it. So we'll take a bit of paper and see. Aha! I like this. I like this paper. It's got the alphabet twice. And we're going to just stick that there or there. I like it there better. Stick it to the inner cover. We can go through and we can place a smaller white piece of paper for giving it a label later if we want to. But for now, let's just glue this down to the inner cover. All right. The decorating's the long part, guys. Actual bookbinding doesn't take that much time. It's dressing everything out and waiting for glue to dry and things like that. That's what takes a long time. Okay. Oh, hello. There we go. Okay, and then try and center it and press it from one side to the other side. And there we have it. Now, if we want to, we can, and we probably will, go through and put another strip of tape on the inside of the front and back covers as well. Like cut this in half and do another strip of tape down on the front and back covers, just to make sure everything stays in place. So let's measure that out. Okay, and then cut it, and then in half. See if we can, nope, it's not going to tear. It will not lend itself to tearing in that direction. That's all right. Go. See, problem with tape is it sticks to everything like tape. Go. Okay, 2 pieces of tape. Set one of them aside for the moment. Roll the cover up so that the cover meets the paper, and then line it up. Come on, you. I said line it up. For goodness sakes. Patience. Patience is a thing that you might need for this project. But anyway, line it up. Stick it down. Trim the excess because that ended up a little bit long. There we go. And now the inside of the binding will match the outside. See how smart I am. And then do the back as well with your other half of your tape. If you can manage it. There we go. Okay, smooth it all down. Cut away the excess. And there you have it. One composition book, rebound, because we have recovered it. If you enjoyed this, definitely let me know. I would be happy to know what you think of this project. And if you try it yourself, I would be happy to see what you turn out with. Because each one's going to be different depending on the recyclables, the napkins, the tape that you have available to you. So I would love to see what you do. Remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!